I'm putting it through the process. Close it up a little bit. Let's take that.
What are you doing? What making?
Oh, well, I'm making quesadillas. That's what we're making today. Me and you cooking. Alright, we're cooking tomato sauce. Now, I already rinsed these tomatoes off. So, can you put the tomatoes in the food processor for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
It was 12 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Mama, meadows. Meadows right there.
Alright, so we're gonna mix.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so we're gonna make sauce. Put a little bit of garlic powder in there. We're gonna make some sauce. Garlic powder. Thai seasoning.
My turn.
Just a little bit. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Now press it. Alright, now y'all see the sauce pan. Taking it up.
Yeah, turn.
Just a little bit. Add some spinach and some onions to the mix. How's the sauce coming? Stir up the sauce. Yeah, still need to. It could have been chopped up a little bit more, blended up a little bit more, but it's okay. We'll eat it like this because we're not having a lot. I'm just making 4 of them. Butternut squash quesadilla with mushrooms, spinach, onions, tomatoes, turmeric, garlic, cumin. And then we're going to put some of this sauce on top of it. Actually, probably could put a little bit more water in there. A little bit.